How to fix Fortnite Android device not supported. So, if your device isn't supported to be able to actually play that Fortnite game that you've downloaded from Epic Games, then there's pretty much nothing you can do. But you can go ahead and go back to your Epic launcher in the browser website, of course. Once you're in the Epic Store game, just go ahead and go to the Fortnite option and go ahead. As you can see, there is a overview of what you can do. You can go ahead and get the app, add to cart, add to wishlist, but what you're gonna choose from here is to play now with cloud gaming. Now it's pretty much your only option as the Fortnite is not available in your device. You're not installing the game, but you are able to play through cloud gaming. So you can go ahead and choose either Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. Let's say we're gonna choose the Xbox option. It's gonna load. For that, we're gonna have to sign in, and then we're gonna have to sign in our Xbox account or the Epic Games account. And once that's done, you can go ahead and try if that would work for you and if the game now plays. So, and hopefully this video does help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.